Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, October 31st, 2018. And today in our Tech News, well, Apple Series 4 is having a glitch with the latest update to watchOS. It seems that some users are reporting that their watch just bricked while updating, or actually after the update was processed. So, of course, Apple pulled the update, and it's been looking at the what's happening, and of course we'll reissue the update with a fix, but that's not kind of a cool thing that's happening. At Duplex latest numbers that actually were supposed to be released a little earlier, but they've kind of delayed them because of the October 2018 update being released but then being pulled, shows that the April 2018 update of Windows 10 is on 88.3% of Windows 10 PCs, which is not bad of a number, as we're still waiting for the October 2018 update to actually get, be released, basically. Well, yesterday Apple announced several things: iPads, MacBooks, and a Mac Mini. And interesting number, because I think they wanted to reassure everybody about iPad sales. They were saying that they sold more iPads than the biggest PC maker, meaning that they sold 44.2 million iPads last year. HP sold 36.9 million PCs last year. And but of course the overall market, if you take HP and all the other companies, HP, Lenovo, Acer, and so on, the total sales of computers or PCs are much higher than the number of iPads sold. But I think they just wanted to make sure that we understand iPad sales are pretty good. The October 2018 update had a patch for slowing yesterday. Another update which pushes the version to 17763.107, fixing the zip problem bug, and of course more tests going on, as basically what we are understanding is that they are going to simply try to have the update released, of course, in November. And there's a rumor that it could be on Patch Tuesday, November 13th. I don't know if that will be the case. A report says that almost every company that announced data breach have not only been hurt in their revenues, but it has a lasting effect on the mind of consumers that have less confidence in their products and services. And it seems that that's pretty much what's happening. So, they have to be careful with all the data breaches, because it seems that people don't easily forget that a company was careless with their data. And our next news is about cloud data, which is kind of interesting because it's a McAfee report on the security of cloud data. And that security of cloud data, that report seems to say that cloud data is much less secure and immune to attacks than what we might think. A quarter of the data stored is very sensitive and it needs special attention, but it's just kind of mixed up in everything that's happening. Study says that on average 2,200 misconfigured incidents happen every month, and this of course makes data kind of possible to be stolen somehow. Facebook numbers show that the growth of Facebook has ended, as it just said that it's pretty much flat, even maybe losing a little bit of users. In North America, it's very flat. The quarter-to-quarter number of users is still at 185 million users daily. Not no increase, but not no lower numbers either. So it's kind of that mass removal of users from Facebook isn't really showing up much, but its growth is not there anymore. Are you one of those that will go online and use these symptoms checkers to see what you might have? Is it just a cold? Will you simply die tomorrow? Well, a study shows that more than 50% of the time, these websites are totally wrong in the diagnosis, and that basically you should just go and see a doctor. Samsung on Tuesday says that its operating profit was at a record high for the quarter, $15.4 billion, and it clearly is the chip business that's driving the revenue stream, as the phone sales are 10% less year over year. But still, Samsung wanted to note that the S9, S9 Plus, and Note 9 are still solid sales. And as Microsoft, wanted to change, because we had code names, when we were talking about the next versions of Windows used to have Redstone, and now it's 19H1 for the next version. Well, it seems that after that, there won't be 19H2. It's called Vanadium. And the next one after that will be Vibranium. We thought that these version numbers with years would stay, and they were kind of clear, telling us which one was the update. But now the code names are going to change again. And this was the Tech News Update for Wednesday, October 31st, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.